Grand Theft Auto V, GTA 5, Online offers a vast and dynamic virtual world where players can amass wealth, build criminal empires, and indulge in various money-making activities. Whether you're a seasoned player or a newcomer to Los Santos, here's a detailed guide on how to make money in GTA 5 Online. Heists, the ultimate score. Heists are the pinnacle of money-making in GTA Online. Assemble a skilled crew, plan meticulously, and execute high-stakes heists to rake in substantial cash rewards. Invest time in completing the setup missions to maximize the payout. Vehicle cargo, become a CEO. Purchase an office and become a CEO to access the lucrative vehicle cargo business. Steal and sell high-end vehicles for significant profits. Source vehicles strategically to minimize costs and maximize gains. Special cargo warehouse, merchandising mastermind. As a CEO, invest in a special cargo warehouse to engage in large-scale trade. Buy and sell contraband goods, navigating the risks of rival organizations and AI enemies. Strategic planning and efficient cargo management are key. Biker businesses, drug empire expansion. Venture into the criminal underworld by investing in biker businesses. Manage drug production, forgery, and other illicit activities. Regularly resupply and sell products for substantial profits. Nightclub management, passive income haven. Purchase a nightclub to generate passive income. Assign technicians to accrue goods from other businesses, such as cargo and biker operations. Sell accumulated stock at your convenience for a handsome payday. Arcade games, retro wealth. Invest in an arcade and set it up for a new heist. Besides heists, the arcade also serves as a source of income through retro-themed games. Regularly play and maintain the arcade to increase your daily earnings. Contact missions, consistent payouts. Engage in contact missions offered by various characters in the game. These missions may not offer the massive payouts of heists, but they provide a steady income for solo or cooperative play. Time trials and races, fast money. Test your driving skills by participating in time trials and races. Successfully completing time trials within the allocated time or winning races against opponents rewards you with cash prizes. VIP work and challenges, quick cash. Register as a VIP or CEO to access VIP work and challenges. These tasks include tasks like Headhunter, Sightseer, and more. Successfully completing them earns quick cash rewards. Daily objectives, consistent bonus. Log in daily and complete the specified objectives to earn bonus cash and RP. Consistently completing daily objectives for a week grants additional bonuses. Invest in properties, real estate riches. Acquire properties, including apartments, garages, and businesses. Some properties generate regular income, while others serve as bases for various criminal activities. Conclusion: mastering the art of wealth accumulation. In GTA 5 Online, the key to financial success lies in diversifying your criminal enterprises. Combine heists for massive one-time payouts, passive income from businesses, and quick cash from missions to create a comprehensive money-making strategy. Adapt your approach based on your playstyle, whether you prefer solo endeavors or cooperative heist operations with a crew. With perseverance, strategic thinking, and a touch of criminal flair, you'll rise to the upper echelons of Los Santos society. Good luck, and may your criminal empire flourish.